how to transfer to PayPal on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer your balance from your Mercari balance to your PayPal account. So to do this is simple. The first step is to visit Mercari website, just like I've done here. And then once you're on the website, move to the right side of the screen and then click on login in order for you to log in into your account. By clicking on login, you will be taken to the login page where you'll be asked to enter in your details and all of that. Once you're on the login page, you'll be asked to log in using Google, Facebook, Apple, or by entering in your email address and the password and then click on login. And then once you're logged in successfully, you would be brought back to your dashboard. And then by the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon there. So once you can see your profile icon, just click on it. By clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Then you will see the settings section. Ensure you click on that and you'll be taken to the settings page. So under settings, find the balance option. You'll see it displayed on your settings page. And then tap on balance option and you'll be taken to your balance page. Once you're on your balance page, you will see the option for you to enter in your bank details, and then you also see the option connect to PayPal. All right, connect to PayPal. Ensure you select that. So tap on connect to PayPal and then follow the prompts to link your PayPal account. And then once your PayPal account is connected to your Mercari account, you can then transfer your Mercari balance to your PayPal easily. So it's something that is self-explanatory. You can get it just like I've said it. Just go to your top right corner, click on your profile icon, select settings. In the settings option on the settings page, click on balance. On the balance page, select connect with PayPal, and once your PayPal is well connected, you can then go ahead to transfer your balance from your Mercari account into your PayPal account. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.